Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the case and earbuds. Open the lid after charging. Once done, press and hold the case button to activate pairing mode. LED will flash. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and the Jabra Sound Plus app is ready to confirm device name and firmware prompts. You're initiating the connection now, not later, so keep the phone close. This reduces dropouts and lets the app detect the Elite 10 immediately for guided setup and updates. You should see Jabra Elite 10 appear in your phone's Bluetooth list or the app's pairing screen. Tap it to pair. Once paired, the app often forces a firmware update. Accept it, since updates fix stability and audio improvements. Make sure you apply any recommended settings, choose earbud roles, adjust ANC level, and link your preferred voice assistant. This step configures how the earbuds behave, so you avoid default settings that might limit call quality. You finish by testing music and call quality. Tweak the equalizer and ANC until satisfied. If something goes wrong, reset the earbuds by placing them in the case and holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED signals a reset, then retry pairing. Make sure to clear old Bluetooth pairings on your phone and reboot it if the device still won't connect. If interference persists, move to another room or turn off nearby Bluetooth devices to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.